Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm Jamaica Janelle. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell for notifications so you won't miss an upload. This video will be another unboxing for Stitch Fix. I have it open already just because with my last unboxing. Let's go ahead and get it open.
5 hours later.
We just don't want a repeat of what happened, so it's already open. I haven't gone through anything, so this unboxing will be new to me and also new to you. For those of you guys who don't know what Stitch Fix, just briefly, I just want to say that they are an online subscription box company where you just pay a $20 styling fee every month. And with that $20 styling fee, you do get a shipment every month. A bunch of different clothes that you like. And then they just select random clothes that you like and ship them to you every month. Then you have that option to whereas you want to keep them or send them back. If you keep them, all you have to do is just pay for what you keep. If you don't keep them, the only thing you pay is the $20 styling fee. And I also have more information on a previous video if you want to go ahead and check that out. So this unboxing would be my Stitch Fix unboxing for March. The March Stitch Fix unboxing. I'm not going to get into every single little item that they put in here because I did explain that in a previous video. I just want to go ahead and get to the good stuff. All right, so this is the first thing I have. It's in this packaging. I'm pretty excited because last video I think I said I wanted some shoes, so I feel like they put a pair of shoes in here for me. Ooh, look at these. They're so cute, aren't they? These are these suede booties in this gray color. And I have a pair, actually I have a couple pair of shoes like these, and they're Toms, and I like Toms. These might be a keeper. And Toms are really comfortable too when you wear them, and they're suede. This is the next thing that they have wrapped up together. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at this top. This is really cute. I like the flowers on there and I like the black because it's not too bright. And it's in an extra small. And then it also has this elastic material closer to the waist so it just fits you a little bit tighter. And that's kind of what I like. So I feel like that would look really cute on. The top does swoop down a little bit. Since I don't have, my boobs aren't really that big, I'm not sure how that's gonna look on. But I really like the style of this one. Ooh, this is promising. Look at this. It looks like a little black dress or a little red dress. Ooh, that's cute. Ooh, and this looks like it'll fit me so well. Can't wait to try that on. If you can't wait to see it, just stick around because I will be showing how each one of these items look. This is in a small and the material feels really nice. Okay, so I'm not seeing the material. This material feels really nice and soft. All right, so I'm gonna show you the next item. Okay, now look at these pants, Judy Blue. These are size 3 or they're size 26 in the waist. It's size 3 US size. They're skinny fit jeans, and they also have the ripped jeans, ripped style, and they also have the distress here, and then down at the bottom it's folded down. I think that's the style, but you can make them longer if that's what you prefer. But I like it like this, so I'm gonna see what they look like this, and then I'll also fold them down all the way so you can see how they look without them being folded. So I can't wait to try those on. The last item that they have is in this cute little packaging, so I'm thinking it's gonna be a cute pair of jewelry. Ooh. Kate Spade. These are a pair of Kate Spade earrings. I'm really excited about this box, this Stitch Fix box for March, because I wanted something more outgoing, not basic, and I feel like me expressing that to them, they put a little bit of extra stuff in my bag, in my box. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on for you and show you how everything looks. All right, so this is the first look that I'm trying on. This is the black floral shirt, and then I'm also just pairing it with the jeans that they put in the box as well. And I think this look represents me to the T. This shirt is absolutely perfect. So I like how the sleeves are not super long, but also come in a little bit at the wrist. And then my favorite part of the shirt is the elastic band around the waist area, around the stomach. So it kind of tightens, or it makes your stomach appear more tighter than what it is. And then it flares up at the top around your cleavage area. And this shirt is very flattering for me and for my body type, and they did a really good job at picking items that are more flattering to me. So I'm really in love with this shirt. So this is how it looks in the front, and this is how it looks in the back. You can still see the waist elasticness goes all the way around. And so for me, I find this shirt, I rate this shirt a 10 out of 10, because usually with my shirts, what I like to do is tuck them in. And so with this, I don't have to tuck this in because it cuts off right at the waist, so it's not sloppy. So I rate this a 10 out of 10, and I'm gonna go ahead and jump straight into the pants here. The pants are the denim ripped jeans. You know how I feel about the ripped jeans. I think the two items pair really well together. As far as if I would pair these together out, I would say no, only because these jeans are more relaxed and casual, versus the shirt is a little bit more dressy. So I would definitely dress this up with some nice slacks or some jeans that are not ripped, because ripped definitely makes it seem like you're just chilling, you're not really worried about your appearance. This top says I'm slightly worried about my appearance, so I want to look a little bit nicer. So I think this shirt would pair well with the pants I got from them last month, and these pants will still be good for other items that I like to wear. So I want to go ahead and move on. The next item that I have is this I keep wanting to say little black dress. This is the red dress. It is called Marina Scoop Detailed Dress. And it's a burgundy and it's in a size small. This dress is $58. I'm actually not really feeling the dress. It doesn't really fit me the way I like to. This dress is something that's good for an office, if you have an office job, or if you're going to like a business meeting or something. You could dress it up with a nice blazer and some cute heels. But yeah, so this is the dress. It fits in a size small. So if you're looking for something more form-fitting and you are a size small, this wouldn't be the go-to. But if you want something that has a little bit of extra room, something that's more work appropriate, maybe church appropriate, then you would definitely benefit from getting this size small. So I'm gonna turn around so you can see the full look of the dress. And I do love with this dress that it has the detail in the front around the neck and then around the shoulders. I really love the style of this dress, and I love the color. I just wish it would fit a little bit more in the waist side, be just a little tighter. But I definitely can see this going out business attire. And then also in the back, it has two buttons where it buttons up. And I do believe that it will look really well with these Kate Spade earrings. Last thing that I want to talk about are the Toms shoes that they have put in my box. Like I said previously, I love Toms. I love the idea of Toms, that they provide one pair of shoes that you buy is given to a child in need of a pair of shoes. Usually I like to support Toms just for that cause. Well, these shoes, I really like them because they are suede and they are wedges. So wedges, whenever you wear them, they're typically pretty comfortable. You can also dress them up with something a little bit more dressy. But really with these, I would stick to the more casual side, only because they are suede and they're wedges and they kind of look like shoes. They don't really look like something you'd wear with a nice dress like this. Definitely something more casual. So that is all that I have in my Stitch Fix box for the month of March. Let me know down in the comments what you think your favorite item is, and if you received a Stitch Fix for this month, go ahead and tag me in your Stitch Fix and let me know what you got. And also I want to know some of your favorite items. If you want to just let me know or take pictures and show me and tag me in them, that'd be cool as well. I'd love to see what you have. If you are new, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also make sure you hit that bell for notification so you don't miss an upload. All right, my loves, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.